Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy A21s. At first, simultaneously press and hold the volume down and power buttons until the device vibrates and the Android recovery screen appears, then release all buttons. Allow a couple of seconds for the recovery screen to appear. Utilize the volume buttons to cycle through the available options and the power button to select. From the Android recovery screen, select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Then choose Factory Data Reset from the menu and accept it with the power key. Allow several seconds for the factory data reset to complete. Finally, use the power button to select Reboot System now. Allow several minutes for the reboot process to complete. Your phone will reboot automatically once it's finished. After the reset is complete, your phone will be completely reset back to how it was when you first purchased it. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.